All right, we back. This past, I don't know, 2 weeks or something, I haven't been live streaming after I passed the challenge, and I've been trading on the funded. So I was able to moderately trade and I'm still waiting for the 2K payout. So I ended on the 31st of October. Here's the stats: 40% win rate out of 69 trades, risk to reward 2 on average loss 140, average win 280. Pretty good. Overall, just one losing day. I was just focused on closer to A+ setups and traded a few days just to have some trades in. So overall, very good. 2%, not too bad. Waiting for the refund, and in the meanwhile I got a new challenge account. So today I'm gonna be trading that. So far the DAX has been moving down in the last hour before the market opened. Now it's turning back around. I'm already missing some opportunities here. Very decisive rebound here. So let's see how far this goes. So on the monthly we've been consolidating for a lot of time, like 5 months. I'm expecting something to happen here. God, I missed this nice push. Overall, still raging around here. While the US indices have been making new highs, the DAX has been staying here in this range, stagnating. So if we start seeing any attempts at making new highs, this is going to be very good, very bullish, still in bullish structure. Of course, I'm gonna take some scalping sells if I see the opportunity. We've had a bunch of red days here. So far looking like a ABC pullback out of the all-time high. So if we were to complete the ABC move, equal measure move, this would get us somewhere here. So 1,000 points, 4%. Yeah, roughly at this point. But that would be very bearish in this case. I think it's more likely that we follow this trend line and continue pushing up. Looks like we could be reaching the highs of today out of the Asia session, which is about 30 points away, while the lows is about 100 points away. So if this were to turn into a 100-point move, we would be around here. This would be a point of interest as a second target, let's say. So we've had a nice divergence here on Friday on the 15 minutes, and from then on it's up, correcting, and now up. So it's looking like a good opportunity to start buying soon. Just gonna wait 5 more minutes, see where the market goes. So this is the start of a new move. If this pullback holds, I think I'm gonna start buying. Let's see how the market reacts. So fill the gap basically here. That is a good push, good sign. I should have started buying here, but I was a bit distracted. Goddamn phone. Damn. GU slashing down 15 points. Euro as well. Gold on the rise as expected. Strong month last month. Good size pullback, 10%. And the DAX has lifted. Quite unfortunate. I should have been here.
It's like a glitch I can't control. Someone's fucking with my dough. Kind of voodoo shit, you know. You won't find me tongue-tied. No witness on my side. Harmonies when I cry. This stuff makes me nauseous. Losing what they taught us. Gotta tread real cautious.
Okay, broken the Asia highs. 100-point move, as I called it. Okay, let's see what happens now.
Tongue-tied, no witness on my side. Harmonies when I cry. This stuff makes me nauseous. Losing what they taught us. Gotta tread real cautious. I go back to default. I go back to default.
This could have been a very nice 1-2, or even more. So at this point, if we could see a retest of the Asia highs, holding them, starting to push up, it's gonna be a good time to buy. Or we could just see the market continue up for another 100 points. Who knows? Yeah, looks like the push is continuing. God damn it, I missed that bolt so bad. Okay, because it's Monday, I wasn't in a hurry to get into a position. We usually have a market that's kind of indecisive at the start of the week, so to be honest, I wasn't expecting that strong of a push. Should have initiated here when I saw the opportunity. And we have a nice divergence here. So lower lows on the chart, higher highs on the stochastic, and then a big push up. This was kind of obvious in a way. Alright, so this market says I'm strong. Let's see how well we hold in pullbacks.
Check our playlist, put it on low in the car, and your jacket's on the hanger, right where you left it in March. Every night I'm on my phone, like maybe you'll text me again, but all I get are reminders that we're better off as friends. Yeah, got your toothbrush sitting in the bathroom, got your slippers waiting by the bed. Every little thing you left here, ever since you left, you've been living rent free in my head. Keep telling everyone I'm trying to move forward, but it's so easy getting stuck in the past. Every little thing you left here, sitting where you left it last. Miss your ache and I just crash over, cause you crashed in like a tsunami. Woke up next to you so hungover, sunlight painted stripes on your body. I'd give anything that I have for just another one of your nights. You can have an arm and a leg, just a minute more of your time.
Expected move on gold, about 50 points or 1.5%. Yeah, I think we're gonna continue in this upward channel for a bit. This pullback was a good opportunity to get in. Maybe a 2-point stop loss. 1 to 2. But since this is gold, I would prefer to be a buyer currently. Lower lows with divergence. Could still break down from here. Sort of a failed breakout. So we could see a bit of a downtrend here for 1%. Getting more liquidity around these levels. DAX making another wave up. Damn, this would have been so beautiful. Damn, gold making a move. So at this point, just gonna wait for the 30-minute to close. See what we do from here. Any pullbacks, I'm gonna consider buying. So let's see if we get a good opportunity. If not, come back tomorrow. So far this is looking very strong. We are taking this trend line here. So any retest coming back here would be very nice. $160 points in this 28-30 minutes. Overall, a very good sign. Starting to have a bit of divergence, so higher highs, lower lows, lower highs on the stochastic. So far looking very strong, not looking to sell. USD pairs continuing lower. Perhaps I could have considered selling here. I'm very interested in what gold is gonna do around here. We are basically in the middle of nothing as far as where the day is. So far looking very good. So this should be just a pullback.
I know it would be goodbye, my love. When did the close of forever come, my love? All I recall was a stare that was vacant and cold. Where did the spark go, the warmth that once stole my soul?
Okay, we've had a bit of a pullback. So about 20 points. Let's see if the market holds this and continues pushing. I think until the end of the hour we're gonna sort of consolidate. Yeah, we'll see about that. I already had the perfect opportunity with this. Wait. With this here, this was just perfect textbook A+ setup. Went up for 100 points after that, so I didn't feel like chasing. So even if I enter around here, it's gonna be just looking for a 1-to-1, 1-to-2. I think this could turn out to be an ABC correction. So 20 points from here. So about at this level, I think it's gonna be good to buy. Even though we're yeah, break, retest of the trend line. So if we can't hold above it, then it's still a correction. So just gonna wait patiently. Currencies, yeah, I feel I kind of missed the boat on this one. Euro dumping as well. I have hopes for gold to continue up, but so far we've had out of the London Open just a attempt to go higher, failing that, unwinding to the downside, and now slightly consolidating. I feel this could be a strong resistance. Okay, DAX. Yeah, I feel like I'm missing the boat on this one as well. I'm not really a fan of buying at the new highs of the day, especially. So entering around here would have been better.
The wolf, she cries at night.
Generally, I would have liked to see a better pullback. This is just exponential. Because at this point I'm not sure which new high is gonna be the end of the move basically, and then following a bigger pullback. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick break, wait for the hour to close, and then we'll see what happens.
plenty, are you on a run? Should have got a warning, have you had enough? You want me to find it tonight? I wanna find it tonight. I'm changing you back, back. All night, girl, I know where to find you. I'll follow the tone, all the lights that surround you. Wherever you go, girl, I know where to find you. Do you think I'm crazy for choosing love? Baby, I wanna be with you for the long. I think I wanna make it go on and on. Baby, I think I'm craving your vibe, your vibe. Oh no, I called you plenty, are you on a run? Should have got a warning, have you had enough? You want me to forget tonight? I'm gonna find it tonight. I'm changing you back, back.
Don't give me empty promises. I don't wanna fall down. Let's not break these confidence. I just wanna love you now. Come a little bit closer. There's something I found. When you touch me softly over and over, round and round. sabes, no pierdas el tiempo. Dale, vente, pégate lento. No, dale, no pierdas el tiempo. Esta noche me puse, a eso no le doy. A eso no le doy. A eso no le doy. A eso no le doy.
Okay, 30 seconds until the hour closes. Gold so far respecting the resistance line here. EU, GU just pushing lower. We could be seeing continuations. DAX has made a small pullback. Let's see if it's worth it. First hour closed very strong, 180 points. Holding here on this high would be very nice for a continuation. Gold has broken out of this consolidation, now continuing lower, so could be an ABC move. So a target would be this level here. So about a 1 to 6. Executing on DAX.
We set off into the summer night, and you're never gonna see us again. We set off into the summer night, and you're never gonna see us again. We went looking for a new sound, and you're never gonna see what we found. We went looking for a new sound, and you're never gonna see what we found. You're never gonna see what we found. And you're never gonna see us again.
Taking a 1-to-1 here. We could continue very strongly to the upside. Problem is, I feel like my entry was not the best. So I prefer to get some buffer here at the start of this account. And I also feel that we could see a bigger pullback. We've reached a move of 200 points. So we could start seeing the market slow down a bit, start making a bit more waves. Also, we're making a new high of the day with divergence, so I'm not really keen on holding the position for a big impulse move, because I think we're past that stage of this trend. Meanwhile, gold is popping off. Could have been a good opportunity here. So break out of this, retest, and lift off. Could have been a very nice 1-2-3. Too bad I was busy with the DAX position. EU and GU looks like are trying to make a pullback here. Okay, I think this is enough for now. I really wasn't expecting this to turn out to be a very strong open on the Monday. Missed a few very good opportunities, but in the end still got a good 1-to-1. So 0.5% is enough for the moment. This could turn out to be a very strong day. So yeah, we'll see how the afternoon goes. And I'll see you tomorrow then.